segment. Boss Jack, Evo, Alleged, Zoxygen. Next spin, good luck, and here it is. Let's take a look. Why do you want me to go on a break? Winner got banned for saying that. Take him down, Zlatan. Good luck. 4 leaf in a row. Yikes. Next spin, here it is. Let's check it out and see. 15x on 16, 7x on 9. Oh, come on, please. Come on, please, please. Yes, yes, 15x 16 lightning storm. This is gonna be huge. Oh, yeah. Eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. 24,000 euros, guys, highest win. Awesome. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight.